pour it out. Silly guy. Now there's nothing left in there to go with your cookie. Now what? How you get the cookie out? Oh, you just drink the cookie, okay. How you gonna get the cookie out? Yeah, that's a baby. That's a book. 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 Cookie? You're over it? Yeah, Sesame Street book.
Search for 2 round things.
You want to push the button?
Point to something that begins with C.
Book. Here. Put it right here. Oh, you want to come up? Okay. What a climber you are.